defines environmental justice as the fair treatment and meaningful involvement of all people, regardless of race, color, national origin, or income, with respect to the development, implementation, and enforcement of environmental laws, regulations, and policies. EPA. How's it going?
For our research goals, the description of air quality in Boston that we are studying is particulate matter 10 and particulate matter 2.5, VOC, volatile organic compound, CFC, CO2, TCO, ozone, and NOx.
To collect our data, we looked at these air quality eggs and we used the GIS map to collect data on July 11th of 2014.
Methods, data analysis. Describe how you analyze your data. Let's get that. Research question 1 and hypothesis.
How does temperature affect the population as to foreign-born citizens? If the temperature is too high in a certain place in Boston, the population of foreign-born citizens and the whole population will be lower because in places in which the temperature is above or below average, it's harder for citizens to withstand.
Now my gums hurt. And like as you can see, this is the map that we made. And the purple colors, that shows the people that are born in foreign places. And the reddish is the temperature. And like you see like when it's like really hot, there's not a lot of people, a lot of foreign people. But then when it's like normal, not too cold and not too hot, there's like a lot of population. Next. And then this map shows the population and the temperature. And based on the maps, whenever the temperature is too high, the total population of foreign-born citizen populations are not highly dense. In comparison, when the temperature is below average, meaning too cold, there is not a lot of civilization. People are located where the temperature is variable.
Research question 2. How does ozone concentration affect the population of minorities? If the ozone is at a high concentration, then it will negatively affect the population of minority in East Boston because the majority of minority are residents in East Boston. In this map, we see the ozone where is the darkest red. That's where the amount of ozone is the highest. And the purple represents the minority. Yeah, so we see here that where there's a lot of ozone, it's also where the heat is high, where the temperature is high. So it's not very populated. Same thing. No, the results. So as we compare the ozone to population and minority, on the two different maps, it showed how the total population is not fully obtained by the ozone. It's like, who wrote this? Can we skip this?
Go to the next question.
Research question 3 and hypothesis. How is the level of NO2 affected by the minority population and income? The level of NO2 seems to be more persistent over areas where people made large income for a living. The level of NO2 seems more dominant in locations where minority are living. In the map where there's darker reds, a lot of NO2 is in this area, and there's not a lot of purple, so most people live far away from the NO2, so it's kind of a good thing, but more people with like that make a lot of money still are populated in that area. So On this map, it shows where the green is. A lot,
That's your perspective.
yeah, minority. A lot of people live in minority away from NO2, but there's still a lot of people that live in like Roxbury and South Dorchester that are populated with NO2. Questions for future research. Can we collect data about the rates of asthma in different neighborhoods in the city of Boston?
Can we collect data about death rates associated with respiratory disease in different neighborhoods in the city of Boston?
What did we learn? We learned that ozone is formed when an oxygen molecule breaks into two O's. When three O's come together, it creates an ozone.
We have also learned that every 100 million molecules, there's one ozone.
Ozone is not good to breathe in, for it damages the lungs and causing asthma and other diseases.